Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So now we're gonna heat up our pan on medium low for about 1.5 minutes. After which we're gonna add to that 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use whichever oil of your choice, it doesn't really matter. Just ensure that it's 1.5 tablespoons, nothing too much. Then I'm gonna go straight in of Scotch bonnet pepper. Nothing too hot, it's based on your spice tolerance. 2 tablespoons of white onion. 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes. And 2 tablespoons of green peppers. I'm going to saute these until nice and translucent. We're not going to overcook these. We just want to release a bit of the excess flavor from our vegetables, right? Alright. So we have these nicely sauteed and at the color that we want them. Right? I'm going to season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper mix. Lightly season them. That bring out the flavor more. See? Toss that around. You realize you don't have a lot of oil. You want to spread this across your pan evenly. Just like so. I'm going to add to that 3 whole eggs. We're just going to beat those until nice and fluffy. Alright, so that's nicely beaten. We're just going to go right in from the center and around the end of the pan. You spread the vegetables out just so when we put the egg in, the weight of the vegetables do not weigh in on half of your egg, so that when you try to flip it, it breaks, right? Swirl the pan around like that, just to get the raw egg more to the side cooked, right? You let this run on medium low for about 2 minutes, just to have the egg coagulate, so that when you're flipping it, it doesn't break on you. You can also use a spatula and push it at the end of your pan, tilt your pan and allow the eggs to run down your pan, just like that. And that way the egg will coagulate. You can do this right around. And watch as that egg sets, right? Over on this side again. Just run your egg right down, allow that to coagulate. We don't have a lot of runniness going, so now it's time for us to flip the egg. Now if you don't have the professional skills like a chef, don't you worry. You can hold the handle of the pan like this and flip your wrist to get that egg flipped over, right? As well as you can use your spatula and you lift. You just put your spatula under and you can lift that egg. But the easiest way to have your omelette wholesome so that you don't break it, you can also get a clean plate, slide your omelette on there, just like so. Just put that over. So for those at home who may not acquire the skills to flip your eggs, this is an easy way to get it done. And then you're going to turn that back out in your pan, like so, and you just flip that right over, right? A very easy method of how you can get your eggs to flip in your pan without causing a mess, right? Now I'm going to go in with about 1/4 cup of marbled cheese. Just going to spread that across generously, you know the thing go. I'm a big fan of cheese. You can go in with any amount that you desire. You let that side cook for another 30 seconds to a minute, because you don't want to overcook this egg now, right? This is totally optional, but you know me and my chili flakes. Just gonna go in with a dash of chili flakes. Have a spatula and slide that on your egg and just fold it over. nicely. Like a beautiful patty, right? Perfect for breakfast for the kids, man. Real quick and easy. And you can make your omelette in so many different ways. If you want to see me prepare a lot more omelette, lunch, brunch style omelette, more different breakfast ideas, comment below and let me know. You know what I say? If you find that it's a bit liquidy, you just flip that over. No hassle. See? And your omelette is still perfect. So use that plate trick. For beginners who have never done omelettes before, try that method. Slide it onto your plate and then you put it back out in your pan. And I guarantee you'll have perfectly shaped omelette to please your guests all the time. And there you have it. Another quick and easy video done here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
I'ma see you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.